Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to make your own beats in BandLab, perfect for beginners and totally free. First of all, start the new project, open the BandLab and create a new project. Make sure your device is connected to your account is connected to the Facebook or Google account and click the plus icon at the below. Now here choose beat/loops to start making a rhythm track. Here at the side you will see drum machine, looper and other virtual instruments or sampler. Click which you like. After you have clicked, choose your drum kit or loops. Select your drum kit or pre-made loops from BandLab library. You can also use virtual instrument for bass, synths or melodies. Simply click one of these and right click it. It will take some time to download. Now you need to, after you have downloaded 2-3 beats, arrange your beat. Use the piano roll or steps to insert to arrange your drum, hi-hats and bass patterns, layer effect, sound to create a full beat. Now you can like this, you can create your own beat on your BandLab. Now step 4 is to add effect and save. Add effect like reverb, delay or compression to make your beat sound professional. Once done, tap save or publish to keep your track. After you have done all the tracking, simply save it and add the effect. And that's it, you just made a beat in BandLab. Experiment with different sound and pattern. And don't forget to like and share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.